gone through postpartum depression, or have you ever known someone who has gone through it or is going through it? Well, we have had the pleasure of helping quite a few moms going through this difficult time after having a baby. And we are so grateful that we've been able to help them through this really difficult part of their life that is actually very hard to explain to people. It affects different people in different ways and at different stages. And so it's not something that we judge anybody by, but we are very happy to be able to step in and take some of the weight off of a new mom's shoulders so that she can spend time trying to get better and get healthy and happy again. Now, this one client in particular that I love, she made a video for us on our page. If you go to our website, she's also on there as well. She was so generous to share her story, but she is also a fellow small business owner. She had her own journey with this as well. And what on the outside might seem like just a struggle with cleaning a bathroom, it is so much deeper than that. There are a lot of levels to these feelings. And when you're having to take care of a newborn plus other kids maybe, or the rest of your family, and grow a business and take care of so many things, that one bathroom might be a constant reminder that you are unable to keep up with all the tasks that you have on your plate. And so we were more than happy to clean this bathroom and take this off of her plate, because it's not just a bathroom cleaned, it's more peace of mind, it's less stress, less overwhelm. And if you can take that off of a mom's plate, like, we are just really happy to be able to do something like that. And we have met a lot of other clients who have gone through a lot of different mental illnesses in different capacities, and it's always been very rewarding to be able to remove something that sounds so simple, cleaning. But that cleaning, that need to clean a space, even if it's a small space, it takes up a lot of space in your mind. And that is what we are focused on cleaning up, is really the space in your head, to give you more space for freedom and for creativity, to enjoy your life with the people that you love. And that is why we are here. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this content and you found it useful, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so that you can get notifications whenever we release new videos.